你妈太不是 black. I don't think he'll be happy. I also very friendly, you know.
We are only following our orders.
What's the two countries?
We have no intention of doing that. Like you are.
你给他讲，我现在有我，我到他那边去行不行？因为他我很友好。 And my kind of want. 我现在过去行不行
You,
if I drive the car to that, she fussies, is okay?
No, that's not the point. The point is that India is, as per Indian law, is our border meeting is 50.
好，你妈的给我结果！你跟他讲，
That point in
现在你妈给我滚！否则有事情间，你妈直接后果他们知道。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise that.
I just want to tell you one
same
word.
reason raise. Okay, if we are given orders, we have to hit that point, then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have
My
given
kind
some
want to
orders, you have to follow the
just
same
want to
orders.
tell you one word.
Yeah, okay.
Tell the two countries go back right now.
I'll
go back right.
We will go right.
If
We have no
if
intention
I
of
have any argument, you will undertake the consequence, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here for fighting. Okay, India and China are friendly countries.
不想大家就滚！
We will go back, but the point is the way you are hitting
你
our
大家老子今天非常死吃不？
that's very wrong. Okay, that's not the way. If
you don't want to
have
fight
some
each
miscommunication, see, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss.
Go.
Okay,
老子不喜欢他们。
again, we are go back right now. We are going right. Okay, we are going right
My
now.
kind of don't want
We
to.
are already going. It's your vehicle that come in front of us. That's why we stop.
你们今天是非常吃不？
Okay.
你说他妈的，今天我今天做了，他们给他讲，我当时他妈的保证我不然今天他们都死到这地方。
Commander is talking loudly. I told him that please go back. So you are expecting.
Please click photograph. सर ऐसे लगा हाँ बाहर मानो और बंदे निकालो सारे Ravedi, I'm telling you again, this is not the way. Please, don't use force. पकड़ ले इतने आदमी और आदमी बुलाओ भाई No, Ravedi, no, I'm telling you, don't do it. Please, don't. No.
ओए मदद जो अगर वो हिल गया ना
No, Ravedi, I'm telling you, Ravedi, पकड़ ले और यार बंदे बुलाओ पूरी कंपनी को बुलाओ पूरी कंपनी को बुलाओ 5 कर पूरी कंपनी को बुलाओ कंपनी को बुलाओ जल्दी ओके को पकड़ लो doing it. Don't do it. No, you are doing it. You are pushing. We are saying not to go ahead. Let's go. कश्मीर पकड़ ले बाधा ले बस ये भी देखो ओ तुम इनकी फोटो भी खींचो इनकी भी खींचो पकड़ते हुए ये देखो ही होल्डिंग भी ऐसे खींची तक होल्ड जस्ट क्लिक क्लिक हाँ क्लिक हाँ ओके Get your officer to behave. Hey,
खड़े रहो सारे हाँ जैसे मैं सुनो जैसे मैं खड़ा हूँ ना वैसे खड़े रहो